Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Preload using the following command. Start and enable it. To ensure it runs at startup with the following command. You can check its status with the next command. Once Preload is installing and running, he will analyze your system usage patterns and preload frequently used programs into memory to speed up their startup time. And that's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.